With these can-do videos, you'll see real-life situations where you have to introduce yourself, talk about your family, or give your contact information. So, by the end, you can do them yourself in Chinese. This video is a small portion of our can-do course. To get the full course, including translations, grammar tools, and assessment tests, click the link in the description. Welcome to Can-Do Chinese by ChineseClass101.com.
大家好，我是李英如。Hi everyone, I'm Yinru Li. In this lesson, you will learn how to greet someone at different times of the day.
This is Lin Li, the Li family's Chinese teacher. Her schedule for the day is Mark Li at 9 a.m., Karen Li at 12 p.m., Ben Li at 6 p.m. Listen to the greeting exchange between the three pairs. Pay attention to the time of day.
李老师，早上好。
早上好。
你好，李老师。
你好，凯伦。
晚上好，李老师。
晚上好，本。
Once more with the English translation.
李老师，早上好。
Miss Li, good morning.
早上好。
Good morning.
你好，李老师。
Hello, Miss Li.
你好，凯伦。
Hello, Karen.
晚上好，李老师。
Good evening, Miss Li.
晚上好，本。
Good evening, Ben. Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Let's take a closer look at each of these expressions.
In the first conversation, do you remember how Mark says, Miss Li, good morning?
李老师，早上好。
First, Mark addresses his teacher.
李老师，
This starts with the teacher's family name, Li.
李，李，李，
After this is,
老师，
literally, teacher. But here it's used as a suffix.
老师，老师，
Together,
李老师，
literally Li teacher, but it translates as Miss Li in this context.
李老师，
Note, when
老师，
is used as a suffix, the meaning will depend on the context. The next part of the greeting is
早上好，
good morning.
早上好，
First is
早上，
morning. To be more specific, early morning, which is roughly the time between sunrise to 10 o'clock.
早上，早上，
Next is
好，
good.
好，好，
Together,
早上好，
good morning.
早上好，
All together,
李老师，早上好，
Miss Lee, good morning.
李老师，早上好。
Do you remember the teacher's response? Good morning.
早上好，
She simply repeats the same greeting.
早上好，
Good morning.
早上好，
Since teachers in Chinese culture have a higher social status, it's not necessary for them to address their students when greeting them. In the second conversation, which takes place at noon, do you remember how Karen says, "Hello, Miss Lee"?
你好，李老师。
First is
你好，
hello.
你好，
There are two parts. First is
你，
you.
你，你，
Next is
好，
good.
好，好，
Together
你好，
literally means you good, but translates as hello.
你好，
Pronunciation note. When there are two third tones in a row, the first one changes to the second tone. Listen to the pronunciation again.
你好，你好，
This pronunciation change is not reflected in the pinyin, as you will still see two third tones. Note,
你好，
can be used during any time of the day, even at night. In addition,
你好，
can be used in formal settings. Next is
李老师，
Miss Lee in this context.
李老师，
Together,
你好，李老师，
hello, Miss Lee.
你好，李老师。
Now, do you remember how the teacher responds? Hello, Karen.
你好，凯伦。
This starts with the phrase
你好，
hello.
你好，你好，
Next is Karen's name in Chinese.
凯伦，凯伦，凯伦，
Altogether,
你好，凯伦，
hello, Karen.
你好，凯伦。
In the third conversation, which takes place in the evening at 6 p.m., do you remember how Ben says, Good evening, Miss Lee?
晚上好，李老师。
First is
晚上好，
good evening.
晚上好，
The first part is
晚上，
evening or night.
晚上，晚上，
Next is
好，
good.
好，
Together,
晚上好，
good evening.
晚上好，
Then Ben addresses the teacher as
李老师，
Miss Lee.
李老师，
Altogether,
晚上好，李老师，
good evening, Miss Lee.
晚上好，李老师。
Note, in Chinese, a person's name or title can be placed either before or after the greetings. So it could be either
晚上好，李老师。
Or,
李老师，晚上好。
do you remember how the teacher responds, "Good evening, Ben"?
晚上好，本。
First is,
晚上好，
"Good evening."
晚上好。
This is the same as Ben's greeting. Next is Ben's name in Chinese.
本
晚上好，本。
In Chinese greetings, 好, good, follows the time of the day, as in 早上好, good morning. 好 also follow a title, as in 老师好, teacher hello, or follow a name and title, such as 李老师好, Miss Li, hello. A title followed by 好 or name and title followed by 好 is often used to greet someone with a higher social status than the speaker, such as a teacher, supervisor, or a senior family member. This pattern sounds more polite and personal than 你好. Let's look at the greetings once more. Listen and repeat or speak along with me. 早上好，早上好，你好，你好，晚上好，晚上好，你好，李老师，你好，李老师，早，早。Did you notice how I used the shortened version of good morning?
Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
早，
Morning.
早
Is a shortened and more casual way to say
早上好。
good morning. You should be aware of this shortened greeting, but you won't need it for this lesson.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say good morning? 早上好，早上好。
And how Mark says, Miss Lee, good morning.
李老师，早上好。
李老师，早上好。Do you remember how to say hello? 你好，你好。
And do you remember how Karen says, Hello, Miss Lee?
你好，李老师。
你好，李老师。Do you remember how to say good evening? 晚上好，晚上好。
And do you remember how Ben Lee says, Good evening, Miss Lee?
晚上好，李老师。
晚上好，李老师。
Let's practice. Imagine you're Ben, and you're in morning class. Respond by saying, Miss Lee, good morning. Ready?
本，早上好。
李老师，早上好。
Listen again and repeat.
李老师，早上好。李老师，早上好。
Let's try another. Imagine you're Mark, and you're in afternoon class. Respond by saying, Hello, Miss Lee. Ready?
你好，
你好，李老师。
Listen again and repeat.
你好，李老师。你好，李老师。
Let's try one more. Imagine you're Karen, and you meet your neighbor. Respond by saying, Good evening. Ready?
晚上好，开伦。
晚上好，
Listen again and repeat.
晚上好，晚上好。
This is the end of this lesson.
Now, here's what you can do to cement this conversation in your head. Review the conversation with our dialogue tool and lesson transcripts. Study the key words and phrases with our spaced repetition flashcards. Review the key grammar and cultural tips inside the lesson notes. And test yourself with our assessment tests. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to access our Can-Do course.
Now you know how to use basic greetings in Chinese. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.